Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Chrome, because Incognito is a mode within the browser itself. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right on desktop. On Android, long press the app icon or tap the menu. Make sure you're running a recent version, update if needed, then choose New Incognito Window or New Incognito tab. This first action creates an isolated browsing session, so Chrome won't save history, cookies, or site data to your local profile. Once inside Incognito, you'll likely open multiple tabs. They share the same temporary session until you close all windows. You can log into websites, but understand why. Incognito prevents Chrome from saving local traces, not activity from sites or employers. Downloads and bookmarks persist outside Incognito, so be deliberate and remove files after. Also note extensions are disabled by default. Enable only specific trusted extensions. To finish, close every Incognito window. This clears session cookies and site data immediately. Don't just navigate away. If you still see saved items, make sure you weren't signed into Chrome Sync, because synced history can persist across devices. If problems persist, try guest mode or clear browsing data from settings and restart the browser. Troubleshooting tip: if Incognito appears disabled, check for enterprise policies or parental controls on the device, as those can block the feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.